this semester one of your assignments is to write a research paper about a topic that's somehow related to the theme of this course, Christian faithfulness. You're being introduced to lots of different ideas. You're reading about lots of different things, lots of different people, historically as well as in contemporary settings. You can look all the way through the website, all the way to the end of the class to also get some other ideas. But you're invited to select something that you're interested in this broad survey of what it means to be a faithful Christian. And I ask you to write a proposal for that first, so that I can make sure that that you're selecting something that makes sense for what the course is. And in your proposal, I ask you to identify the topic that you're interested in. I ask you to identify a couple resources, so you need to locate a couple resources as part of your proposal, and you need to list those resources in bibliographic format, so that you've got all that information there, and that'll assist you when you come to write your paper. And I also ask you to write a thesis statement, which is simply a sentence that kind of summarizes the direction your paper's taking, the point you're trying to make. So maybe you're interested in, John Woolman. So John Woolman will be your topic, but what I'm interested in is kind of what angle about John Woolman is it that interests you. So maybe you're going to look at John Woolman's dispositions for being a person who had such a large impact in social justice. It's up to you. You can pick anything you want, but that's a thesis statement is simply a statement of the specific direction you're hoping to go with your exploration. And then when it comes to writing the paper itself, there are directions, of course, in the syllabus and on the website. But the basic invitation of doing this research is to pick something that you're interested in, but since it's a survey course, you haven't gotten to go in depth too much. Pick something or someone you're interested in and explore it, and have fun, kind of looking into someone or something that you have found interesting, would like to spend some more time with. So I look forward to reading your proposals and giving you some feedback, maybe even some direction on what you might want to explore in relation to that person or movement or practice, whatever it is. And I'm really looking forward to learning from you this semester as I read and review your research papers. So pick something you're really interested in and enjoy this process of getting some time set aside to actually sort of dig in and do some more reading on someone or something that you're interested in as it relates to Christian faithfulness.